Hello YouTube, Dr. Sola coming to you from Lagos, Nigeria. So I just want to give you a scale. Look at the size differential between the 7.5 kilowatt and the 30 kilowatt Ultra. So today we're going to put it up. We won't put it through enough tests today. We just want to put it up and then we'll start playing with it. I'm pretty psyched. Let's see how this works out, okay? My channel, first of all, please subscribe, and if you like what you see, give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, what I do is I do videos on different products that I either use or come across. Usually it's my unbiased opinion because I pay for the equipment myself, and then I show you what my experiences are, why I like them and why I don't like them. Solax I've been using since 2021 and I like them very, very much. You know, that romance has not worn out, that excitement hasn't worn out. I'm still very, very pleased. And they sent me this baby, the 30 kilowatt Ultra, to test. So we'll be running it through its phases. We have single phase power going out. So we'll only be testing one phase, and that phase is 10 kilowatts and can surge to 20. So we'll be testing it and we'll let you know how we make out. So this light, the light is blinking, but it says EPS waiting and there's no fault. So this is day 2. By the way, this is Dr. Sola. If you've not subscribed, please click subscribe. Please click subscribe. Hey guys, guess what? There is power. And guess what else? This is a single phase mid box. And I'm powering it with a 3-phase inverter. We'll tell you what the miracle or magic behind that is. So this took us longer than we planned. We've been doing this since yesterday. And finally, we got it right. We did everything right. Solax had to update the firmware, and once they updated the firmware, the system came on. It was not showing battery percentage, and the firmware update they did corrected it, and it started showing battery percentage. So we can go into the system, and you can see what it's currently doing. And this is just where this is a waste of resources because this is 4 times what I had before. So right now we're putting 7 amps into the batteries, and this is updating in real time. That's why you see it's changing so much. So 17, whatever that is, that's what it's doing right now. So we're going to come back to this during the week. We're going to start testing it, pushing it through its paces, and then we'll tell you what we find out. So if you like what you see, give me a thumbs up. If you've not subscribed, please click the subscribe button. Once again, this is Dr. Sola coming to you from Lagos, Nigeria with the Solax Ultra 30 kilowatt.